Have you ever wondered why your life isn't changing? Why months pass, why years pass, and you still feel like you're stuck in the same place? Same habits, same routine, same results. Nothing new, nothing different, nothing better. And here's the painful truth. It's not because you're not capable. It's not because you're not smart. It's not because life is unfair to you. It's because every day, you give your time to everything and everyone, except yourself. Earl Nightingale once said, "Only a small part of a person's day is needed to change the entire direction of their life." Just 1 hour. One focused, protected, intentional hour. But most people never use it. They wake up and immediately enter the noise of the world, scrolling, reacting, rushing, stressing, yet giving zero intentional time to their personal growth. And that's why their life stays exactly the same. But here's the good news. Your transformation doesn't require a massive lifestyle change. It doesn't require luck. It doesn't require a miracle. It requires something small, something simple, something powerful. 1 hour a day. 1 hour that becomes the difference between the life you have and the life you want. Today, I'm going to show you how this 1 hour can make your life better forever. How it can sharpen your mind, strengthen your body, build your future, and reshape the person you become. Because if you can win this 1 hour, you can win your entire life. Imagine this for a moment. You wake up one morning, look at yourself in the mirror, and realize something painful. Your life isn't changing. Not because you don't have potential, not because you aren't talented, not because you aren't trying, but because every day looks exactly like yesterday. Most people don't lack dreams. Most people don't lack intelligence. Most people don't lack opportunities. They lack one thing, a daily hour dedicated to changing their life. Just 1 hour, not 5, not 10, not the whole day. Just 1 hour of intentional effort every single day. And that's what this video is about. Earl Nightingale once said, quote, "1 hour a day of study will put you at the top of your field within 3 years," unquote. But the truth is even deeper than that. One focused hour each day can take you from stuck to moving, confused to clear, hopeless to confident, ordinary to extraordinary. This isn't magic. This isn't luck. This is discipline multiplied daily. And today, I want to show you why 1 hour can change everything, how successful people use it, and how you can begin a daily habit that transforms your entire future. So let's start here. Why 1 hour matters more than you think. Most people spend their day reacting to notifications, reacting to problems, reacting to stress, reacting to people. Life becomes a cycle of responses, not action. And when you're always reacting, you stop growing. But when you set aside one protected hour, you break that cycle. You step out of the noise and step into creation mode. During that hour, something powerful happens. Your brain becomes clear. Your thoughts become sharp. Your purpose becomes stronger. That 1 hour isn't just time. It's a signal to yourself. My life matters. My growth matters. My future matters. And here's the truth. Successful people are not made during big moments. They are made in the small, unseen, quiet hours when nobody's watching. Star, the 1 hour habit of highly successful people. Think about anyone you consider successful. A creator, an entrepreneur, a leader, a thinker, a millionaire, an expert. They all have one thing in common. They dedicate a small part of each day to intentional growth. Some spend that hour reading, some learning, some planning, some building, some practicing, some reflecting. But they all give themselves at least 1 hour. Here's why. 1. 1 hour builds consistency. Life isn't changed by sudden effort. Life is changed by daily repetition. Just like a drop of water can carve a rock, 1 hour of daily focus can carve a new future. 2. 1 hour trains your mind. Your mind becomes what you feed it. If you give it distraction, it weakens. If you give it purpose, it strengthens. 3. 1 hour builds discipline muscles. Willpower isn't luck, it's training. Every day you sit down for that hour, you become mentally stronger. 4. 1 hour makes you better than 99% of people. Most people don't work on themselves at all, not even for 10 minutes. By giving 1 hour, you instantly rise above the average. 5. 1 hour compounds like interest. If you give yourself 1 hour a day, 365 hours in a year, 1,095 hours in 3 years, 3,650 hours in 10 years. That's the equivalent of 4 to 5 full-time years of growth. Imagine how unstoppable you would become. Star. Why most people don't use this hour. If 1 hour is so powerful, why don't people do it? Simple. Because it's too easy to avoid. The human brain loves comfort. It loves distraction. It loves the path of least resistance. So when you plan to use your 1 hour, your mind says, I'm tired. I'll do it later. It's too much. I'm busy. I need to rest. But the truth is, it's not that people don't have time. It's that they don't have priorities. Everyone has 1 hour, but not everyone uses it. Star. The silent war inside you. Every time you sit down to work on yourself, you face two versions of yourself, the weaker you and the stronger you. The weaker you wants pleasure now, wants comfort now, wants distraction now, wants excuses now. The stronger you wants the future, wants growth, wants discipline, wants achievement, wants impact. Every day, your 1 hour becomes a battlefield between these two versions. And here's the important part. You become the version you feed. Most people lose this battle. That's why they stay stuck. But you, the fact that you're here, means you are ready to win. Because if you win just 1 hour a day, you win your life. Star. What happens when you use this hour daily? In the beginning, you may feel uncomfortable. Your mind will resist. You'll be tempted to quit. But then something shifts. After 7 days, you feel clearer. After 14 days, you feel more confident. After 21 days, you feel momentum. After 30 days, your identity begins to change. You don't just do the 1 hour habit. You become the type of person who grows daily. You start thinking differently. You start acting differently. You start choosing differently. You start attracting different results. Your friends notice. Your family notices. Your life notices. Because you can't invest 1 hour in your mind and stay the same person. Not possible. Star. The hour that changes your life. Earl Nightingale once said, quote, "Your world is a living expression of how you are using your mind." Unquote. So imagine giving your mind 1 full hour of power every single day. How much would your world change? The answer is simple. Your life becomes a reflection of your discipline, and your discipline becomes a reflection of how you use this hour. This is why 1 hour matters. This is why 1 hour transforms. This is why 1 hour can make your life better forever. Star. Section 2. How to use this 1 hour for maximum growth. Now that you understand why this hour is life-changing, let me show you exactly how to use it. This section is practical, simple, clear. Follow this and your life will begin shifting within weeks. There are 3 parts to the 1 hour habit. 20 minutes for your mind, 20 minutes for your future, 20 minutes for your body. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Let's break it down. Now that you understand why this hour is life-changing, let me show you exactly how to use it. This section is practical, simple, clear. Follow this, and your life will begin shifting within weeks. There are 3 parts to the 1 hour habit. 1. 20 minutes for your mind. 2. 20 minutes for your future. 3. 20 minutes for your body. That's it. Simple, but powerful. Let's break it down. Part 1. 20 minutes to train your mind. Your mind controls everything. Your actions, your feelings, your decisions, your habits, your future. But most people never feed their mind with anything powerful. Your first 20 minutes are for reading, listening to powerful teachings, studying something useful, learning new skills, and consuming mindset content, growing mentally. Earl Nightingale said, "You are where you are because of the way you think." This 20-minute block begins to change the way you think. What you can do in these 20 minutes are read 10 pages of a good book, listen to Earl Nightingale or Jim Rohn, learn business, psychology, communication, study something that grows your brain, take online lessons, improve your English, speaking, or writing. These 20 minutes slowly rebuild your internal world, which later rebuilds your external world. Part 2. 20 minutes to build your future. This is the most important block. These 20 minutes are for creation, not consumption. You use this time to build your skills, work on your goals, plan your future, create something that moves your life forward, practice your craft, write, design, record, build, produce. No distractions, no scrolling, no consuming, just creating. Examples? Work on a YouTube script, practice a skill for money, build your online brand, plan the next 90 days, write ideas, practice editing, design, or speaking, build a digital product, learn a high-income skill. This 20-minute block is where your life changes. This is where results are created. One small action each day equals a new life in 12 months. Part 3. 20 minutes to strengthen your body. Your body affects your mind. Your energy affects your success. Your health affects your discipline. You don't need a gym. You don't need equipment. You don't need expensive routines. Just 20 minutes. Walk, stretch, do push-ups, do simple home exercises. Move your body. Increase your heart rate. Why? Because when your body wakes up, your mind wakes up. Your motivation grows. Your focus sharpens. Your stress melts. Your confidence rises. And this directly impacts your success. Why this 1 hour formula works. This routine is not random. It aligns with how the human brain grows. First 20 minutes, you upgrade the software of your mind. Second 20 minutes, you take action toward your dreams. Third 20 minutes, you energize the machine that carries you through life. It's balanced, it's powerful, it's unstoppable. The 30-day transformation challenge. Here's a simple challenge. Do this 1 hour habit for 30 days. Just 30 days. No excuses, no skipping, no negotiating. Do it even if you feel tired. Do it even if you feel lazy. Do it even if you feel unmotivated. Because motivation does not create discipline. Discipline creates motivation. After 30 days, your thinking will be sharper. Your focus will be stronger. Your body will feel lighter. Your confidence will rise. Your habits will shift. Your mind will change. Your life direction will become clear. You won't just change, you will transform. Why this 1-hour formula works for anyone, anywhere. This hour doesn't require money, fancy tools, gym membership, expensive courses, or perfect conditions. It only needs one thing: commitment. You can be in the US, Pakistan, India, Europe, anywhere. This habit works for everyone. What your life looks like in 12 months. If you give yourself 1 hour a day, in 30 days, you'll notice change. In 90 days, people will notice change. In 6 months, you'll be a different person. In 1 year, your entire life will be upgraded. You will be more confident, more skilled, more focused, more disciplined, more successful, more respected, more powerful. Not because you changed everything, but because you changed 1 hour.